guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Briella. I'm just watching Bugs Life, but I bought this toy and I wanted to open it. So let's open it. Let me just open it from the bottom.
More slime, huh?
I bet. Oh, what is this?
Oh, is that a little Snapple Lipton bottle, but it says slime?
Wait. Oh, it doesn't open. I think it does because it's twisted. Oh, what is this? It's like a trash can?
Yep.
How cute.
Yeah. Mama, there's like a little mystery.
And this opens, look.
Well, I'm not opening up this because my cat gets everything.
It's gonna make a mess.
Yeah, this mom, no. These are just for my dogs. So that's it. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Now, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
Oh, what do you think it is?
Sugar?
I think it is. Let me feel it. A little lemon. Or like a little.
lemon?
I don't know.
Let's see what it is.
What is it?
What's a heart?
Popsicle?
Yeah.
Popsicle.
Is it?
There's Kitty.
See, guys, she's in the camera like she always does.
She wants to make sure everything's okay.
Baby, why are you always in my camera? Okay. And that is it, guys. Thank you. Bye.